With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is, if p is a constant and f of x is this determinant, if f double dash x is equal to 0 have roots alpha and beta, then we are having these four options and we need to see which of them is correct, right? So first of all, let us just write what we are given. We are given this determinant, that is f of x is given as x square, x cube, x power 4, 2, 3, 6, p square, p cube, right? This determinant is given. So first we will expand it. So on expanding it, we are getting the value of f of x equal to x square into 3p cube minus 6p square minus x cube into multiplying this and this. So minus x cube into 2p cube minus 6p plus x power 4 into 2p square minus 3p. Okay. Now if I differentiate this in x, so this is f dash x will be equal to 2x into constant, that is 3p cube minus 6p square minus its differentiation will be 3x square into 2p cube minus 6p. Then its differentiation, that is this will be 4x cube into 2p square minus 3p. This is f dash of x. Now we are going to find f double dash of x. So f double dash of x will be equal to, this will be 2 into 3p cube minus 6p square minus this will be 6x into 2p cube minus 6p. Then this will become plus 3 will come here, that is 12x square into 2p square minus 3p. Okay. We are given that f double dash x equal to 0. This thing, that is f double dash of x equal to 0, that means this thing equal to 0 has two roots. So this is having two roots. One is alpha and another is beta. Okay. So that means we are going to equate f double dash x with 0. So that means the value of this thing, that is 2 into 3p cube minus 6p square minus 6p square minus 6x into 2p cube minus 6p plus 12x square into 2p square minus 3p. This thing will be equated with 0. Or we can rearrange this and write this in the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This will be 12x square into 2p square minus 3p minus 6x 2p cube minus 6p plus 2 into 3 into 3p cube minus 6p square equal to 0. Now let us see the first option. The first option is alpha and beta have opposite sign and equal magnitude at p is equal to root 3. Okay, so let us check for this. Now we know that opposite sign and equal magnitude happens only when the minima of the x square, that is the minima, should be on x equal to 0. Okay, so its minima will be on which point? Its minima will be on the point, this is minus b upon 2a, and this should be equal to 0. Okay, so we will just put here the values, that is minus of minus b, that is minus 6 into 2p cube minus 6p divided by 2 into a is this, so 2 into 12 into 2p square minus 3p, and this is equal to 0. So what will affect this thing, that majorly that this will become 0? Only the numerator part, the denominator part won't affect this. Okay, so that means the value of this expression will be 0 when the numerator is equal to 0. So we are going to equate this 6 into 2p cube minus 6p, equate it with 0. This implies that 2p cube minus 6p equal to 0. Now take out 2p common from this. So we are getting it as this is 2p common. So this is p square minus 3 equal to 0. This implies this will be equal to 0 and this will be equal to 0. So when this is equal to 0, p is equal to 0, and when we are equating this with 0, that means p square minus 3 equal to 0. At that time, we are getting the value of p as plus minus root 3. That means when we are having plus minus root 3, it means that one root is alpha, that is positive, and another root is minus alpha, that is minus root 3. Okay. So the first option that says alpha and beta have opposite sign and equal magnitude at p is equal to root 3, that is correct. Okay, so p is equal to plus minus root 3. This is plus minus root 3. So the option number 1 is correct in this case. Now if we see option number 4, that at p is equal to minus root 3, the product of the roots are positive. Okay, so let us check this also. See, they are saying that at p is equal to minus root 3, the product of a root is positive, but that is not possible. At we have seen that this is plus minus root 3, and the minimize when? Minimize at minus b is equal to 2a equal to 0. So from here we can say that the roots will be like this. This is the Cartesian plane. Okay, so the roots will be like this. That means one will be positive and then another one will be negative. So if one is positive and negative, then their product will be negative only, not positive, right? So option number 4 that says at p is equal to this, the roots, product roots is positive, that is wrong. Okay. Now let us see for the option number 2. That is f double dash x is equal to 0 at p is equal to 1, represent an identity. Okay. So the option 2 is p is equal to 1 at f double dash x equal to 0, represent identity. So we are checking option number 2. So we are going to put value of p equal to 1 in this f double dash of x. So f double dash of x is what? It is 2 into 3p cube minus 6p square minus 6x into 2p cube minus 6p plus 12x square into 2p square minus 3p. So when we are putting here p is equal to 1, so this will be 2 into, this is 3 and minus 6, that is minus 3, then minus 6 into, this will be 2 into minus 6, that is minus 4, then plus 12x square, this will be 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So we are going to take from them minus 6 common, and we will be having here 2x square minus 4x plus 1 left with us. Okay, so this is the value for f double dash of x at p is equal to 1, and they have said that at this point f double dash of x is forming an identity, but we can see there is no identity formed. So option number 2 is also not correct. Now let us check for option number 3, at p is equal to 0, product of roots are unity. So let us check for the third option, that is at p is equal to 2, the product of roots will be unity. So we know the formula for product of roots. Product of roots, that is given by alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Okay, so from here we get that alpha into beta, that is product of roots, will be equal to c is what? 2 into 3p cube minus 6p square, and it is divided by a. So a is nothing but 12 into 2p square minus 3p. So now we will put the value of p is equal to 2 here. So on putting the value, we are getting that alpha into beta will be equal to, see in the numerator, this will be what? This will be becoming 24 minus 24, and in the denominator, whatever value it may be, but as the numerator is coming as this 0, that means the whole value will be 0. That means the product of root is coming equal to 0 and not unity. That means option number 3 is also incorrect. That means first option is the only correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.